Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in Google Chrome, if we head up to our Omnibox and we right-click, we have the emoji entry right at the top of the context menu, which Google added back in 2018. Now, basically the feature gives you a quick way, as you can see, to open the Windows emoji panel directly from the address bar. And it does seem, though, according to what's going on in Chrome Canary, that Google is going to be removing the Windows emoji menu option from Chrome's address bar. And this change is part of the Project Glow Up, also known as the Chrome Refresh 2026, as I've been posting about on the channel, where Google is going to refresh Chrome's desktop user interface. So if we head over to Chrome Canary, which is an early preview version of the browser, and I head to my Omnibox and we right click, we can see there's no entry for emoji. And I think the reason why Google is starting to do this is the shortcut made more sense when it first arrived because emoji access was still relatively new on Windows. And many users were unfamiliar with the operating system's shortcut, which, in case you're unaware, is Windows and the stop key or the period key. And then I think over time, as we have moved along, the Omnibox entry has become harder to justify. And my reason for saying that is because many web apps and social platforms now include their own emoji pickers, while Windows already exposes the emoji panel system-wide through, as mentioned, the Win and the stop key. So basically the cleanup does suggest the Omnibox emoji entry may no longer see enough use to justify keeping an extra menu item inside the address bar. Personally, I don't think it's something I would miss. I've never used it in Google Chrome. But nonetheless, that's currently Canary, that's deprecation, and that's been deprecated for quite a few weeks now, but I only noticed in my region over the last day or so that it's been removed, and just putting it out there in case in a future update you are looking for the emoji entry to open up the emoji panel and it's not available. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.